Looking at this car, all that comes to the mind is, whoa, what a good looking car. Don't you agree? Well, with a great car comes a great responsibility. The responsibility of cleaning it. If we look closely, we can easily spot the car is not as clean as it might look. But I'm so glad that unlike my last car, which was a black Ford Focus, the white color of the Tesla is way more forgiving when it comes to being dirty, as a light rain was enough to make the car look dirty when it comes to the black color. So, as you might have guessed it already from the title, in this video, I'll discuss what we need to consider when it comes to cleaning your Tesla or in fact any other car. The most important thing when it comes to Tesla cleaning is to protect the delicate paint layer of Tesla, as Tesla's paint quality is certainly not the best in the world and does have a potential to getting scratches and marks fairly easily. So keeping that in mind and assuming you still like your car, the automatic car washes with those big brushes is out of question. The best way to ensure the best wash for your car is either by visiting those expensive hand detail shops or washing the car on your own. As here, you can actually choose the products that will be used to wash your car. I understand, washing the car with scrubs and a bucket gives a different level of satisfaction to few of us, but not all of us have the luxury of a place to park in our house where we can easily wash the car. Or in fact, at times, we don't even have enough time and support of weather, as most of you would be already aware that it is highly recommended not to wash your car in direct sunlight. Otherwise, it can easily leave water patches on your car, which makes it look even more dirty. So if you're like me and have been busy, going to a car wash is the quickest way to wash your car. So the car wash that I prefer are the ones which are touchless and they use a product which is pH neutral. As my car does have a ceramic coating, and if the product that is used in the car wash is not pH neutral, it has a potential to damage that ceramic coating layer, and hence I prefer the ones which do support the pH neutral detergents. So to use such a car wash, just drive to the wash selection machine and choose the car wash level or type that you want and make the payment. Once the payment is processed, the machine will give you guidance to move forward to the cleaning bay. Once you are at the right spot, the machine guides you to park the car right there. While we are moving to the correct spot, the undersides of the car as well as tires are washed by the machine. And once we are at the correct spot, the machine detects it and starts the cleaning cycle. The first one is soaking the car, followed by a foam of soap. Then after leaving the soap and foam, the cleaning machine rinses the car with a rinsing cycle. Then depending on the type of car wash you chose, a paint protectant wax layer is applied to the car. Although these car washes are a bit more expensive than washing your car by yourself in the self car washing bay, but in my experience, it is way more fun and quicker compared to those ones. I still remember the first time when I washed using these laser car washes, and I was really amazed of how well the machine works and how cool it looks from inside the car when the car is being washed. The difference between the car wash type that I chose and the most expensive one is that the other one blow dries your car as well. But from my past experience, I don't find the drying method very effective. I'd rather have my car dried properly using one of these. I'm not sure how to pronounce it properly, but I think it is called Cameos, and it is a great product for drying your car. It works more or less like drying your car with drying towels, And that also gives me the opportunity to clean the insides of the door and boot lid, as the machine cannot reach there. And they're usually very dirty. So as you can see, the car looks as good as new. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it as well. If you did, or if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me via comments. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Exit.